When a distributor logs into their team office, one of the things they're presented with in their main menu is a resource tab that holds frequently asked questions. This is one of the default pages set up in your system. This video will show you how to edit this page and add any categories, questions, and answers you may want to add. Now let's say we want to go in and add a couple of categories to our FAQ page. The way we do that is we log into WorldVu and we go to the main admin menu, hover over CMS, go down to the FAQ tab, and click on Manage Categories link. If you go back to the FAQ page, you will see that the default category 1, is the only category that appears on this page. So we can either edit that or add a new one. We're going to add a new one. And maybe you want a category on returns. Oops. And that is enabled. We're going to save the FAQ category. And you can see in the listing of FAQ categories now returns shows up there along with the default category that was there before. I'm going to return to the page and refresh just so that we can see a new category was created. Back in WorldVu now, my task is to add some questions to this new returns category. So I go back, hover over CMS in the main admin menu, go down to the FAQ tab and click on the Manage Items link. You can see there's two questions there. When we go to a question and edit it, we can then assign it to a different category. Both of these questions belong to the default category 1. So let's generate a new question and add it to our returns category. I'll do that by clicking on the orange Add New FAQ Item button. Once here, you'll see that we can add the question, make sure it's enabled for viewing, select the category we'd like it to be a part of, and put any HTML content we want in here, either through the WYSIWYG editor or by hiding the editor, we can type in HTML coding. So we're going to enter a question. Can I return items? And this will be our answer. We're going to enable it. I'm going to save this FAQ item. We're going to go back to the page and refresh it to see that our question has been added. And it looks like I did not assign it to the correct category. So we'll go back, edit the item. Yes, that's true. I did not assign it to the returns category. Now that it's properly assigned, I save it again. I go back to the page, refresh to make sure that my changes are done correctly. That's why it's always a good idea to do these things. Always checking with your page in a separate tab to make sure it's working as you intended. If I click on the question, there's my answer revealed there. You can continue adding as many categories and questions and answers as you like. Thanks for watching.